wake up every morning 30 levels in the sky. The whole world falls away when you're this high. Friends up on the rooftop, laughter in the air, golden sunsets, paint and colors everywhere. There's a pot of whales out on the water, heading north beneath a winter sky. Penthouse on the Gold Coast, sand between your toes, 25 meters of beachfront, watch the whole horizon glow. Views from Coolangatta to Moreton Island, living 30 floors above the tide. Ocean to the east, hinterland behind, main beach in the morning, stars above at night. The horizon is yours forever. There's not a soul alive who wouldn't cry. Living like you've never lived before, the kind of view you spend a lifetime searching for.